Right guys, so I got a haul for y'all. I've just been shopping lately a lot because I'm trying to stock up on like some fall stuff. Here are a couple items I've bought. Number one is this shirt. It's kind of like short, but I picked this one up at Ross. I really like because of the stripes here. I think it looks really cute or whatever. But I also picked up this jean jacket right here. I got this one at TJ Maxx and it's super cute. It's kind of like oversized and I feel like I could throw it on with anything and it's a look, you know, so I like it. And I think it was only like $20, so that was really cheap. Another item I picked up was another jean jacket. Sorry guys, I have my hanging rack right here, but this one is just like really simple. This one I'd probably wear like maybe with darker clothes. I like this one. I think it was only like $12 at the Bales outlet, something like that. I got it in Destin, so I don't know, but it's really cute or whatever. Next up, I got these really cute Adidas sweatpants or whatever, and they have like buttons on them. They were super cheap. They were only $20, so I love these, and they're kind of like flare a little, but they still look cute. They're not like too flare, you know. Love these. So my Forever 21 just opened. It was like a really small Forever 21, but they opened up the big one again, so I went and I picked up 3 shirts there. Just a normal white shirt. I'll probably like tie it or something. Picked up this like pale pink. I love this color, you guys. I freaking love this color. And this one that's kind of like mauve-y, I guess. I like this one for the fall though, with like some bands and some jeans, you know. Love this one. A lot of these items I did get in Florida, like this shirt right here. It just says like Nike. I love this to wear with my Air Max 97, so I like that. And then I got, oh, I love this one. I love the way it says it, like the words Nike. Love this. I picked up this shirt at Ross as well. Probably like tie it or something, but this is cute. I love the print on it. My sister said it looks like the Chucky shirt. I mean, I can kind of see, but I still think it's cute, so whatever. I also picked this up at Nike. It's just like a sweater. Like, I'll probably just wear it like whenever I'm looking like fodonga, you know, but I like it. It's super cute. It just says like Nike. And then I picked up this shirt at TJ Maxx that I will wear. It's like olive green kind of. I'll probably wear it with like a jean jacket on top, and I think it was only like $3. So I was like, heck yeah. Yeah, it was $3, you guys. I'm telling y'all, don't skip the clearance. I got this for $3 as well at the Bales outlet with that other jean jacket I showed y'all. It's cute, just to like look casual, you know, not to look glamour. I picked this up at the Northface store. It's just like a jacket, zip up with a hoodie. It says Northface on it. I really love this color, and I feel like I could rock it with like my Air Max 97, so picked that up. I picked this up at Route 21. It's like a cropped hoodie thing. I like this. I'll probably wear this to the gym or just to go out, you know, but I thought it was cute. I picked these up at Forever 21. I got this one. It's just like a hoodie, but like I said, I really love this color, so I had to get it. I got this one, which is just a gray hoodie. I love hoodies, you guys. Like, I feel like it's a look when you put on a hoodie with like some leggings and like some nice shoes and you're glammed. It's over. And the last item I picked up is this white hoodie. Had to get white because I feel like white goes with anything, white and black, so I love this one. But that is it for today's haul, you guys. There were like just a couple things, so I just wanted to share it with y'all. That's usually where I do most of my shopping. It's like Ross, Forever 21, really anywhere. I'll go anywhere. But yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope y'all enjoy. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel, and follow me on all other social media. Love y'all.